Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. Actually, it probably won't be the shortest unboxing video. There's actually 5 knives here from CJRB. I know that I had a conversation with him about something, but I can't remember what it is, which is pretty typical. So we're going to find out what this is together. I'm going to guess they're the same knives, just given the similarities in the boxes. Whatever it is, I will link all of this stuff down in the description so that you guys can check it out. It does help my channel when you use those links, but that's entirely up to you. Thanks to CJRB/Artisan Cutlery for sending these in. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Let's go ahead and start with just a single box here so the camera does not have... Oh, yeah, that's it is. I remember now. Okay, so how do we... Okay, so we got a lock and unlock. Is this... What's the material? It's fairly heavy. I feel like this is steel. Hold on. Let's find out. It is. So this is steel. That means that these are going to be very inexpensive. Or relatively inexpensive, right? So, lock and... is that right? So now how... Oh, God. Okay, so it must come out this way. Am I stupid? Most likely. Ah, there it is. Okay, I see. I got it. This is kind of cool. Very interesting. We have a whole bunch of tools here. What is this big space? I mean, why is there a big space there? Well, I guess for the access to the razor blade? Is that what this is? Wild. Okay, so you basically, what I'm doing here is this button, it doesn't move around. You actually have to push it down and forward. So you can get just a little bit, right? Just a little teeny tiny bit of the tip there. You can push it all the way out. And I'm going to guess that these are just like plain razor blades. Now, how do you take this apart? Oh, the screws right there. Okay, so I'm wondering if there's an easy switch out for the blades or if you absolutely have to unscrew this. These look like little T6 screws, right? All right, let's get the other ones out here real quick. This is kind of, yeah, I think once you kind of get the hang of it, it's a little easier to do. So we have, oh, a silver one. Very nice. We have, I'm going to guess just a bunch of different colors. Yellow. These are neat. Green. And red. Nope. Another silver one. Just kind of a dark, more of a, I guess, a stone wash. Now, hold on a second. This is aluminum. I don't think that these are steel. These two right here are, yeah, this has got to be titanium. Or it's aluminum and it's just finished like titanium. I bet that's what it is. So steel. This is probably aluminum, right? And steel. But it looks like you have a few different options when it comes to the materials. But this little piece right here has to be, yeah, if it's like this, it's obviously not going to come out at all. But this piece right here has to be turned sideways in order for the blade to slide back and forth. What do we have going on there? Okay. Well, these are interesting. What the heck are these called? I have absolutely no idea. They all come with little lanyards. So there you go. There's no pocket clip, which is interesting. This is the type of thing, just right off the bat, this is, you guys know this is not a review. This is just an unboxing and first impressions. So this is the type of thing that I would keep in my truck console or the little pull-out tray or the junk drawer. This is the type of thing. This would not be my dedicated EDC. The other good use for this would be a rear pocket knife, right? Or your secondary pocket knife, aka the knife that you give when that guy at work doesn't know anything about knives and uses knives for literally anything, right? So you don't want to hand off your nice knife to that guy. But something like this, sure, because they're replaceable razor blades. That's actually a really good use for this. I think something like this is actually even easier to carry than, like a big foldable box cutter. And while you are, the part of the knife that's doing the work is the same type of razor blade that we're all used to, something like this is it just makes it a little bit more fun. I have to assume that these are extremely inexpensive. I mean, I would hope so, right? Let's go ahead and measure it real quick. So the overall length of this knife, just the body, like when it's closed, you're looking at 3¼ inches. With the blade fully out, it's about 4 inches. Typical razor blade amount of, edge there. And let's do some size comparisons. So up against, sure, let's do the Civivi Elementum, the Ontario Rat Model 2. We'll do the Hogue Deca. I mean, everything I've got here is going to be quite a bit bigger, but I'm doing some of my smaller ones just so you guys can get an idea of what we're looking at here. CJRB Pyrite and the Spyderco Para 3. Okay. Yeah, these will get a full review. I mean, like, this is a pretty simple object. And, sometimes stuff like this, I'm like, it's hard for me to, like, get super excited about it. But then, sometimes I carry it and I end up liking it a lot more than I thought I would. So I guess it just depends. What I'll probably do is carry these alongside, because it's such a small object. I mean, I'll probably carry these alongside other pocket knives that I've got ready for review. Something that is bothering me right off the bat here is the fact that that lock has to be absolutely perfect in order for the blade to come out. So if you have this in your pocket and you're wanting like a quick engagement and this switch gets turned slightly to the right or slightly to the left, then it's not going to want to come out. See, we're getting hung up here. So the thing needs to be absolutely perfect in order for that to come out. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if that ends up affecting me, because I don't think I'm going to ever carry this. It takes quite a bit of deliberate movement to get the blade to come out, right? So, yeah, like just holding it, I'm kind of like dragging my finger across it while I'm deploying it. I don't think it's ever going to deploy on accident, because you have to push the button down to get it to go. I'm not sure how much I like this locking thing, and I don't know when I would ever really need it to like be locked. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. That's really going to be it for me today, guys. I don't know that there's anything else that I can say about this at the moment. I'll give you guys my full thoughts after I've carried them. But yeah, alrighty. Links in the description for all of these, and honestly, there might be more. There might be more colors. I don't know. These are the ones that they sent me. Yes, these will end up being giveaway items at some point. It's very unlikely I'll end up keeping these, so expect to see them as giveaway items on live streams at some point. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.